How to log out of the JustMarkets application on your smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Whether you are using a shared device, switching accounts, or simply finishing your trading sessions, logging out is a good way to keep your account secure, so let's get started and learn how. First of all, launch open the JustMarkets app on your device and make sure that you are inside the main homepage. From here, go to the upper left corner and tap on the menu button. Now on the next page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right, and this will open up settings. Here, if you go to the bottom, you'll see a little logout button. To sign out or log out of your account, tap on logout, but before logging out, make sure that you remember your account's credentials, like how you've previously signed in for JustMarkets. If you remember your credentials, just go ahead and without any worries, just tap on logout. In the pop-up, click the logout button to confirm, and you have successfully signed out or logged out of JustMarkets application on your smartphone. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.